Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel. And today in this video I am going to show you that how to play YouTube videos directly in VLC Media Player. So let's get started. So first of all, open your browser and copy video link which you want to play on VLC Media Player. After that, open VLC Media Player. Simply click on Media. After that, click on Stream. Then click on Network. And simply paste here your YouTube video link. And click on Play. Now as you can see, YouTube video is directly playing in VLC Media Player. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any problem, please comment below and I will happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video and goodbye.